Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syaira Binta Abdul Samad. I'm from DHF2. Today, my friends Siti Amira Soliha and Sarah Hazwin and I myself are going to present about potato and starches. I will start with starches first. Okay, it is the most common carbohydrate in human diets and is contained in large amounts in staple foods like potatoes, corn, rice, and wheat. Starches are classified as complex carbs since they consist of many sugar molecules joined together. For a large portion of the world's people, starch is the mainstay of the diet. Pure starch is a white, tasteless, and odorless powder that is insoluble in cold water or alcohol. And there are four types of starchy foods, which are potatoes, bread, cereal product, rice, and grains. Next is potatoes. Okay, potatoes are classified according to their starch content. Like the amount of starch determines the use for which they are usually considered most suitable. Within each group is a range of starch and moisture content, traditionally classified as starchy low moisture varieties or waxy high moisture varieties. And yeah, as I mentioned before, there are two types of potatoes. The first one is waxy potatoes. Waxy potatoes is a high moisture, high sugar, low starch content. It also holds shape well when it cooked, and it is used for boiling whole for salads and hash browns. Next is mature or starchy potatoes. Low moisture, low sugar, high starch content, light, dry, mealy when it cooked. Um, Russets or idahos, long, regularly shaped potatoes with slightly rough skin, and it is all-purpose potatoes, usually used for baking.
In this slide, I'm going to present about varieties of potato. First, new potato, which is lower starch content and tender, also thin skin. Leaves and stems are still green. Second, blue skin or white flesh, which is when cooked, skin may keep the color or turn brown or grayish. Third, blue or purple flesh, which is maybe waxy or somewhat starchy. Fourth, yellow flesh potato has a yellowish or even golden flesh. Next, Peruvian blue or purple Peruvian, which is dark violet flesh that lighten when it's cooked. And then red skin varieties may have a white, pink, or yellow flesh, and most of it are waxy types. Second last, fingerling potato. Small potato, usually firm and waxy, with a long and narrow shape. And the last one, all blue, which is purple or reddish purple flesh that's become lavender when it's cooked. Next. Storing and handling. There's three methods of storing and handling. First, keep potatoes in a cool and dry place at 13 degrees Celsius until 16 degrees Celsius. Second, do not refrigerate. Temperature below 7 degrees Celsius. Convert potato starch to sugar. And the last one, refrigerated potato must be stored at 10 degrees Celsius for 2 weeks to change the sugar back to starch. Sign of high quality potato. Here we have 6 signs of high quality potato. First, shallow eyes. Second, no sprouts. Third, no rotten spots. Fourth, no green color. Fifth, dry skin. And the last one, firm and smooth.
Next is market form. Here we have 6 market form, which can whole cook, fresh unprocessed, peel treat to prevent browning, dehydrate, other frozen prepared product, and French fries blends in deep fat and frozen. Lastly is cooking potatoes, salting and pan frying. Potatoes cooked and served in compact cakes. Potatoes mixed or tossed while cooking. Potatoes puree. Starchy potatoes are usually used for puree. Avoid excessive Fifth, mixing of potatoes puree. Deep frying. Potatoes fried raw. Preparation made from cooked puree and potato. French fries. Most French fries served are made from blend frozen product. The common practice is to blanch them in frying fat. Boiling and steaming potatoes. Potatoes cooked with the skin or on and peeled after cooking are best peeled while they are still hot. Potatoes are peeled or left unpeeled for boiling and steaming. Um, Boiling potatoes are generally start in cool water rather than hot. Potatoes are never cooked in cool water, unlike most vegetables. Only that from our group. Thank you.